So, Christina Novelli, huge honor to interview you once again. Christina, how much did the COVID affect the music industry?
Oh, it was hardcore. I think, you know what, I've spoken to quite a lot of people since COVID, and a lot of people, I think a lot of people struggled with, especially touring artists. I mean, everybody did in general, but a lot of people struggled with it. I mean, I did as well. I was, just before COVID happened, I was non-stop on tour, and then bam, just everything was stopped. But luckily, I have a studio at home, so I managed to continue writing and producing. But the rest of it, you know, I think it affected everyone. How did it affect you?
Yeah, affected me psychologically.
Yeah, of course, I think it really did. A lot of people, it was brutal.
What about Malta? You consider this your second home?
Yes.
Why?
Do you know what? Why? I don't know. I feel very, very connected to Malta. Like every time I come here, my energy immediately is just raised. I feel really, really good. The people, the food, just the energy here is really, really nice. It's probably one of the most beautiful places in the world for me, especially because of the people and just everybody's very laid back, everybody's very happy. It's just very, very friendly. Like I'm leaving in 20 minutes to go back to LA. I'm sad. I'm sad to leave Malta. I really, really like it here. Every time I come here, I'm very happy when I'm here.
Future plans for Christina Novelli?
Well, I'm just in the process of finishing my album. I'm going to give you all the dates for that. But I've got my first release coming out in a couple of weeks. So I've got an album. It's called I'm Not Sad. But I'll give you all the information. So I've been working on that. I've actually been living out in Mexico, writing my album, recording my music videos, and doing all my work out there, basically.
Your last message for children, youngsters who are reading this interview who wish to embark on a successful career in music such as yours?
Yeah. My message would be, if this is something you want to do, the best thing that you can do is obviously work very, very hard. Work very, very hard. Work on your talent, work on your craft, believe in yourself. Don't listen to, if you're... Believe in yourself no matter what. Even if some days you wake up and you're like, oh, I don't know. Keep going. Even if it gets hard, it gets tough, and you feel like giving up, don't give up. Because at the end of the day, if it's something you really want, it's so worth it when you get there in the end. But the secret to it is enjoy it every single day, enjoy what you do. If it becomes a task or if it becomes, stressful, then, that makes it difficult. But if you enjoy everything you do and you don't give up on yourself and you work hard, anything's possible.
Christina Novelli, thank you very much. Thank you
very much.